I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peppermint pretzel fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. It's the holiday season and I've got the whole month planned out with some really fun and tasty treats that I think you're gonna love. We're starting out with a white chocolate fudge with peppermint and crushed pretzels. It was suggested by our compadre Claire, who pointed me to the Sweet Recipes website. I'll link to it in the description. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peppermint pretzel fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 ounces of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream, 1 cup of crushed pretzels, 1/2 cup of Andes Peppermint Crunch baking chips, and some additional crushed pretzel and Andes chips as a garnish. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a saucepan, a thermometer, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line an 8x8 baking pan and set it aside. In a large saucepan over medium heat, combine the sugar, butter, and cream. When it starts to boil, cover the pan for a couple of minutes to wash down the sides. Add a thermometer to the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. Stirring constantly, cook until the mixture reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted for altitude. Remove the pan from the heat and add the white chocolate chips. Stir until the white chocolate is melted. Add the marshmallow cream and mix thoroughly. Mix in the crushed pretzel pieces. Fold in the Andes baking chips and stir just until you get a nice marble effect. Pour the fudge into the lined pan. Sprinkle the crushed pretzels and Andes baking chips over the top of the fudge. Then gently press them into the fudge to help them adhere. Refrigerate until firm, at least 2 hours. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Slancheva. The fudge is really smooth and creamy. Nice crunch from the pretzel topping. The white chocolate fudge would be amazing on its own, but add the refreshing peppermint flavor and a little salt from the pretzels, and you've got a treat fit for any holiday table. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. Tonight, I'm making No, I'm not. Stirring constantly, cook until the mixture reaches Stirring, fold in the onion, add the refreshing peppermint flavor and a little salt from the